Okay, Ethan's going to give some examples of some science skills. So we're going to work on the science skill of sorting examples and non-examples. So I've just drawn on these papers a check mark for yes, like this is an example, and an X for not an example. He has his help card over here if he needs it to ask for help. So the first one we're going to do is, remember these are just toys that we have in our house. You can use anything that you have on hand. So here's a drill, and we're going to say that's an example of a tool. And then I hand him a hammer, and he says that that is also an example of a tool. And the tomato is not an example, and the other drill is. So then we can switch these out. And we can say the tomato is an example of a food, and the pickles are too, and the doll is not. We can switch those out for a different example. We can say, now we're going to do dolls. So here's another example of a doll, and that is not an example. Great job, E. Now we're going to go to a different skill. We're going to do sorting by animals, by their habitats. Different kind of examples of examples and non-examples. So on here, I've just drawn out ocean, polar, desert, farm, and forest onto a sheet of paper. And these are all just hand drawings, so you can create them however you want to. And he's going to match these different animals where they go. And again, he has his help card if he needs help with anything, but he is doing great with this so far, so he's going to keep going. It matches all these animals in these different places. And there are lots of things you can Google and find a ready-made copy of these, or you can do just like what I did and draw the pictures yourself. He needs help with the raccoon. The raccoon goes in the forest. Good job asking for help. Okay, and there's the desert. And great job, E. Thanks for helping.